Yeah, she cute regardless. She crazy.
Hey y'all, so right now I'm just getting these mats out her hair. She done had these braids in for so long, child. She always look, she knows she be full of shit.
Oh, hey y'all. Don't leave your braids in too long. I only had mine in for 6 months.
Little pieces out.
I just like top myself. Oh, whatever. Y'all see the no makeup, teeth, no braces.
So you will have those clients like her that just don't care and just think that money is just gonna get you. Like y'all listen to this.
It's always come with extra service. But see, I'm not a broke hoe, so I can pay for it.
Ooh. Why people just can't come and get their hair done?
It's stringy, but it's an inch. Okay. I don't give a fuck about shit else. My hair touches my face.
You put your finger at my fucking beard.
Oh, my bad.
Alrighty, so this is pretty much the part that you guys came for. So if you watched the last video, I don't really cut much of the bang on the mannequin. I prefer to cut the bang on my client. So right now we're just discussing how long she wants the bang, how wide she wants the bang, how she wants her bang to look, whether thick or full. So that's what we're going over pretty much now. Everybody has just different likeness to their bangs, so that's what I always do with my clients. So y'all, look how extra this girl is. She's just so extra. I can't stand her.
All that shit, hoe.
Okay.
You feel me?
We're about to thin the bangs right here. So I be telling people supposed to be thinking bang wigs be so so right now I'm just going in and thinning out the bangs. She definitely wanted to keep it pretty thick, but it was some areas that we wanted to go in and thin out. You can get thinning shears from pretty much your local beauty spa store. Y'all, I love my thinning shears. You can also thin out bangs and stuff with regular, shears, but I just love my thinning shears because it just makes the job so much easier. So right now we're kind of just going track by track, putting the hair down, kind of looking at it, seeing if she really wants it that full or if she just wants to, thin it out a lot more. So literally with thinning shears, you just kind of cut through the hair and just slide down. And little like strands of hair just come down. So I swear by thinning shears. I love thinning shears. I'm just a natural like thick sewer, like especially since I like to double track and I like to sew close. My stuff always just comes out thick, so it's easy instead of taking tracks out to just go in and, use your thinning shears to thin everything out. So I'm gonna just let you guys enjoy this clip because I really feel like this is just something like really, really dope that everybody should have. Like I love thinning shears. Okay, so as far as like the length,
I feel like the length is fine, but I want to see it bump. Because I really don't know what the hell I want. I ain't had a barb in so long.
I'm gonna clean ends up. I don't like the front ends with that bang.
Go ahead.
It ain't gonna
Do whatever you feel. I trust you. Y'all don't worry about my skin, okay? I got PCOS. Ask your mama about it. Mind your business. Inside. Mm-hmm. Oh! Oh! Yeah! Mm.